Hello! This video about using picking-decoder LISHI 2-in-1 HU66 of the second generation for opening and closing the door lock of Audi 2012 year. What's the best, automatic or mechanic transmission? In practice for racers is the mechanic one, but for amateurs the automatic transmission. Which is better, turbo decoder or picking decoder? The price difference is 10 to 1. And how is the opening speed, reliability and applicability? The conclusion seems to be like for transmission boxes. To demonstrate it, taking the door lock of Audi 2012 and picking decoder LISHI 2-in-1 HU66 of the second generation. Let's see. About 1 minute was needed to close the lock. Let's open it now. Now one can watch from this video for both opening and closing the lock is needed only about 1 minute. Opening or closing the door lock of Audi 2012 are not so easy, and the average prices of such picking decoder and similar turbo decoder are accordingly near $50 and $500. It's well known that the speed of opening such lock with turbo decoder is the same approximately. One can make conclusion by himself from this video. Thanks for watching.